Hey there, are you tired of feeling stuck in the same old rut? Do you find yourself facing one problem after another, wondering if there's a way out? Well, listen up, because I've got something game-changing for you today. Imagine if I told you that there are just 5 simple habits that could tackle a whopping 95% of your troubles head-on? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to reveal these powerful habits that have the potential to revolutionize your life. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of empowerment and start conquering those challenges like never before. Mindfulness. Meditation. Practicing mindfulness meditation can help increase self-awareness, reduce stress, and improve focus. By being more aware of your thoughts and emotions, you can better manage them and make more conscious decisions. Regular exercise. Physical activity not only benefits your physical health, but also has a significant impact on mental well-being. Exercise releases endorphins, reduces stress hormones, and improves sleep quality, all of which can help alleviate various problems, including anxiety and depression. Healthy eating. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in overall health and can positively affect mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. Incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while minimizing processed foods and sugars can help maintain stable energy levels and support mental clarity. Effective time management. Poor time management can lead to stress, procrastination, and a feeling of being overwhelmed. By prioritizing tasks, setting realistic goals, and breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps, you can increase productivity and reduce stress. Continuous learning and growth. Cultivating a growth mindset and actively seeking opportunities for learning and personal development can help you adapt to challenges and overcome obstacles more effectively. Whether it's through reading, taking courses, or seeking feedback, committing to lifelong learning can empower you to tackle a wide range of problems with confidence and resilience. Ready to take control of your destiny? Start implementing these 5 habits today and watch as your problems shrink away and your life transforms before your eyes. Don't settle for mediocrity when greatness awaits. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like if you found this helpful, and remember, the power to change is in your hands. Here's to a future filled with success, fulfillment, and limitless possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay awesome.